Howdy. Today I'm sitting in what they call a lift assist chair. We bought this chair to help with my mother, to help her get out of the chair to basically go either to the bathroom or to the bedroom or just to get up. She had struggled with the chair that we had. It was very comfortable. She really enjoyed it, but getting out of the chair as she's struggling now with her dementia and their physical ability, it seemed like it was a better idea to do. When we saw the chair in the store, I said, wow, this is wonderful. I mean, it's a beautiful color. It seems like it works really well. This should be perfect. And it works really well, but it's not perfect. I really thought that it would go a little bit higher because when I was testing it in the store, I thought, wow, if it got to the full height, it would throw me out. Luckily, it does not throw my mother out, but it doesn't go as high as I thought it would, so she still has to push off a little bit to get up. And I decided to use this kind of as an example of something where you find a lot of companies that are switching to technology these days and hoping that it's going to be the end-all, be-all to all their issues. I was reading something that someone sent me talking about artificial intelligence and how it should allow companies to either get rid of some of their staff to try to save money or possibly move that staff to other positions so that they can do other jobs. And it reminded me that quite often in healthcare, what I've seen over the years are companies that have switched to computer systems with the intention of saying, okay, we should be able to reduce staff because now we've got this brand new computer system. You almost never reduce staff. Not anymore. Back in the 80s, if you got a computer system, it meant you didn't need people to type all these billing forms out anymore. So that used to work. But nowadays, you never save any jobs because you need someone to interpret reports. You need someone to work on things that are outstanding. You need someone to look and make sure that your inventory is fine. In essence, there's just nothing you can do. Maybe one day you will be able to have AI to read some of these things and make determinations for you, but I absolutely don't believe it. I think that if you go to a computer and let it do all your analysis and you're not looking at it, you're going to run into trouble. You really need to make sure that you're on top of things. And I'm just saying that and putting it out there for everything. No matter how much technology you get, you're always going to need humans to do a big part of the job. And that's why you need to have good leadership. That's why you need to have good policies. And that's why you need to be on top of it. Because if you're not, if you think that technology and artificial intelligence is going to save all your problems, you're woefully mistaken. But that's my opinion. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you have a wonderful day.